There are moments in life when you look at yourself and you know something has to change. Not because someone told you, not because you saw it online, but because deep down, you can feel the gap between the life you're living and the life you know you could have. For me, that moment wasn't dramatic. It wasn't loud. It wasn't a breakdown or a crisis. It was a quiet morning, staring at my own reflection, realizing that I was tired of breaking promises to myself. So I made a decision, a simple one. 30 days of discipline, not to impress anyone, not to chase perfection, but to see who I could become if I stopped running from my own potential. That challenge changed everything. The first day felt strange. I wasn't used to waking up early. I wasn't used to showing up for myself without excuses. But I told myself, just today, don't think about tomorrow. I started with small actions, a short walk, a clean workspace, a list of tasks that actually mattered. Nothing extreme, just order, structure, intention. And for the first time in a long time, the day felt lighter. Discipline doesn't begin with strength. It begins with honesty. By the end of the first week, something unexpected happened. The challenge stopped feeling like a punishment and started feeling like freedom. I wasn't forcing myself anymore. I was choosing myself. I realized that discipline isn't about controlling every moment. It's about creating space inside yourself where distractions don't win so easily. Even small wins mattered. Finishing a task I usually avoided, drinking water instead of scrolling, stretching instead of lying down again. These little choices, invisible to everyone else, were slowly reshaping the way I thought about myself. Discipline grows in silence, long before the results appear. Around the middle of the challenge, things got harder. The motivation was gone. The excitement faded. The routines felt heavier. And for the first time, I almost quit. Not because the tasks were difficult, but because discipline forces you to face the parts of yourself you've ignored for years. Your laziness, your fears, your habits, your comfort. They all rise to the surface. But right there, in that uncomfortable space, is where transformation begins. The urge to quit is the signal that progress is happening. So I kept going, slowly, calmly, quietly. And something inside me shifted. I started showing up earlier. I started thinking clearer. I started taking myself seriously. Not because I suddenly became a disciplined person, but because discipline had become something simpler. A choice I made every morning. A choice to act, even when I didn't feel like it. A choice to grow, even when no one was watching. When the 30 days ended, there was no trophy, no applause, no dramatic transformation. But there was something better. Respect. Self-respect. The kind you feel in your bones. Because you know you kept the promises you made to yourself. I realized that discipline isn't a personality trait. It's not a gift you're born with. It's not a special ability only successful people have. It's a habit, built slowly, quietly, one choice at a time. You don't become disciplined. You practice discipline until it becomes who you are. So if you feel stuck, if you feel lost, if you feel like you're wasting your potential, start with a quiet decision. Not to change your whole life, just to change today. Show up for yourself. Do the small things. Build the habits. Make the choices. 30 days from now, you won't be a different person, but you will be a stronger version of the person you already are. And sometimes, that one small shift is enough to open the doors you've been waiting for. Discipline won't make your life perfect, but it will make your life yours.